Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock app on Samsung A series devices. First, you just need to go to settings. Now from here scroll down until you find this biometrics and security. Now tap on this biometrics and security, then from here you'll find the secure folder here. Now tap on it and enter the password that you have set for secure folder. If you have already opened a secure folder or you have a screen lock, then you can just put it in here. After that, click on this tick mark here, and then from here you'll find the secure folder settings, and secure folder will help you to hide apps from your screen. You can just go with this. This is actually the default application that you can use to hide application, or you can use some other application that you can download from the Play Store. So you can tap on this toggle button that add secure folder to app screen to get this secure folder on your app screen, and it will help you to hide your applications. From here you can just clone it. You can just make clone application here. From here, for example, the WhatsApp. Now tap on add and it will add WhatsApp here, but you can find WhatsApp, the main WhatsApp application, from here also, but you can just uninstall it. You can just hold on the WhatsApp and you can just uninstall it from here, and you will get the app in the secret folder, but no one can find it on your app library. So that's how you can simply hide your applications. So you just need to go to app folder. Let me show you how it will look. If you tap on it, then it will ask for the lock that you have set for, like this, and after that you will get the application that you have added in the secret folder. But if you uninstall the application from your app library, then it will uninstall from here. But if you add once app on secret folder, it won't uninstall if you uninstall the main application from your app section, app library. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.